Let me take you back to a moment that might sound familiar. You're scrolling through social media, bombarded by diet plans promising quick results, each one more restrictive than the last. You've tried a few, maybe even all of them. Yet here you are, still searching for that one thing that clicks, that makes you feel good not just in the short term, but in a way that's sustainable, in a way that lasts. Now, imagine stumbling upon a simple, yet powerful lifestyle shift. It's not a fad diet or a miracle pill. It's something that's been around for centuries, practiced by some of the healthiest and most vibrant people in history. It's called intermittent fasting, and today, we're going to dive deep into why this might be the very solution you've been searching for. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the science behind intermittent fasting, but you'll also have a clear, step-by-step guide on how to start your own fasting journey, setting yourself up for a healthier, more balanced life. The science and unseen benefits of intermittent fasting. Let's set the stage by talking about what intermittent fasting truly is. Unlike most diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting is about when you eat. It's a simple, yet powerful concept where you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. But don't let the word fasting scare you. This isn't about starving yourself. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion, allowing it to perform other crucial functions that enhance your health. So, why should you consider it? Let's unravel the benefits. 1. Cellular repair and anti-aging. Imagine your body as a house. Over time, things get worn out and repairs are needed. During fasting, your body initiates a process called autophagy, a natural housekeeping mechanism where cells clean out old, damaged components and regenerate new ones. This not only protects against diseases, but also slows down the aging process, keeping you looking and feeling younger. 2. Efficient fat burning and weight loss. We've all experienced those moments when our clothes feel a bit tighter, and we wish we could shed a few pounds. Intermittent fasting helps with that by extending the time your body uses stored energy, leading to efficient fat burning. When you're not eating, your insulin levels drop, and your body turns to stored fat for energy. This means losing weight without the need for restrictive diets or endless hours at the gym. 3. Enhanced mental clarity and focus. Ever notice how your brain feels foggy after a big meal? Fasting enhances mental clarity by increasing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports cognitive function and overall brain health. Imagine going through your day with laser-sharp focus, making you more productive and present. 4. Improve metabolism and disease prevention. Regular fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. This means you're not only protecting your body now, but also setting it up for a healthier future. 5. Boosted longevity. Perhaps one of the most intriguing benefits is its potential to increase lifespan. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can trigger longevity genes, leading to a longer, healthier life. It's like giving your body a reset button, allowing it to operate at its best for years to come. How to start your intermittent fasting journey. Now that you're excited about the benefits, you might be wondering, how do I start? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Imagine standing at the edge of a new beginning, a doorway to better health. The steps are simple, but their impact can be life-changing. 1. Choose the right fasting method. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to fasting. One of the most popular methods is the 16/8 plan, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, if you finish dinner by 8 p.m., you'd break your fast the next day at 12 p.m. But if that seems too daunting, start with a 12-12 split, fasting for 12 hours and eating for 12 hours, and gradually increase your fasting window as you become more comfortable. 2. Ease into it. Don't rush. Fasting is a marathon, not a sprint. Start slowly to allow your body to adjust. Remember, this is about creating a sustainable routine that fits your lifestyle. For the first few days, you might feel hungry or tired, but stick with it. Your body is adjusting to a new rhythm, and before you know it, fasting will become second nature. 3. Stay hydrated and stay strong. During your fasting window, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee to stay hydrated and curb hunger. These liquids help keep your body functioning optimally, and make fasting more manageable. 4. Nourish your body during eating windows. When it's time to eat, focus on nutrient-dense foods. This isn't about binging on junk food. It's about nourishing your body with whole, balanced meals. Include plenty of lean proteins, healthy fats, and fresh vegetables. This will keep you full, satisfied, and fueled for your next fasting period. 5. Listen to your body. It knows best. Every person's experience with intermittent fasting is unique. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your fasting windows and food choices as needed. If something doesn't feel right, tweak it. This is about finding what works best for you. 6. Patience is a virtue. Results take time. Intermittent fasting is not an overnight fix, but a lifestyle change. It takes time to see the full benefits, so be patient with yourself. Trust the process, stay consistent, and you'll start to notice changes not just in your body, but in your overall well-being. Recap: your roadmap to success. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. 1. Intermittent fasting is powerful. It's a simple, yet effective way to improve your health, from cellular repair and fat burning to mental clarity and longevity. 2. Getting started is easy. Start with a fasting method that suits you, ease into it, stay hydrated, and focus on nourishing foods during your eating windows. 3. Listen and adjust. Your body knows what it needs. Listen to it and make adjustments as you go. 4. Stay patient and consistent. The best results come with time and consistency, so trust the journey and give yourself the grace to adapt. Conclusion: your journey begins now. And there you have it. The secrets of intermittent fasting are now in your hands. As you stand on the brink of this new journey, remember that the choice to begin is yours. Intermittent fasting is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle that can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. So, are you ready to take that first step? Imagine the possibilities, feeling lighter, more energized, and finally in control of your eating habits. The benefits are within reach, and it all starts with your decision today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with friends who might be interested, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on living your healthiest life. And if you're already practicing intermittent fasting or thinking about starting, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories and answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and wellness journey. Happy fasting!